Music in presents Michael, Angelo, Batio, Aizawl.
We'll leave the phone on the floor. I have 2 more songs for you, then we are going to do some very special things here. I know the members of the band Metallica. Now, every year, every January, so from 2016, 2015, 2014, I play my first concerts in Los Angeles in January. Every year, next year the same. So I always start the year out in LA. 2 years ago, we had a very special show. I was on guitar, Uli John Roth from Scorpions, original Scorpions, was on guitar. Bumblefoot, the guitarist that was later in Guns N' Roses, no longer. So we had Uli John Roth, me, Bumblefoot. The owner of Dean Guitars on bass, Alice Cooper's drummer, Glenn Sobel, and we played at the historic Whiskey A Go-Go on Sunset Boulevard in Hollywood. The Whiskey A Go-Go, the club, has had Jim Morrison, Kiss, John Lennon, Elton John, all these historic people. We play there. When I played the concert there 2 years ago with this lineup, the place was packed like tonight, always packed. And a man walks up to me. I am standing upstairs in the dressing room, like a backstage dressing room, and this guy comes up to me with a mustache and a beard and a baseball hat. He's like, Michelangelo! Whoa! He's like, dude, I watch your videos on YouTube. This way, this way, this way. Whoa! You effing rock, dude! And I'm like, and he's running full force at me. I'm like, I'm waiting for him to like hit me. And he goes, and he stands right there. And I go, Kirk? He's like, Michael! It is Kirk Hammett from Metallica. Kirk Hammett came to see the concert. And then I start talking to Kirk. And then we do. Rock stars mostly have iPhones, but that doesn't mean Android is not good. So I'm talking to Kirk. Here is me, here's Kirk Hammett. I go, Kirk, let's take a selfie. So here's me and Kirk. Now, girls know about this. A lot of times girls go like this. Why? It makes the boobs look big, the butt small. Okay, so Kirk and I are like this. We're taking selfies. Then the audience in the Whiskey A Go-Go starts to find out. Kirk Hammett, Metallica, Metallica. The place is going crazy. Then another member of Metallica walks in. It's James Hetfield. We have 2 members. And I am not saying they are my best friends. But I have known, I have gone to Metallica shows, been backstage for many years. So James comes up to me and he goes, hi, Mike. I'm like, hi, James. And he said, Lars is not here. And he did not say anything more because they don't get along so well. And so we had 2 members of Metallica. Here's what I can say. It was not just there for me. Obviously, I know them. But it was for Uli John Roth. It was for the other people, too. We had a very special lineup. But I love Metallica. I love them. I love them. I did not know they were such fans of mine. So I'm going to do my humble tribute to one of the greatest metal bands that has ever lived. Are you ready to get crazy? Tribute to Metallica! The Cliff Era. Thank you.